to the 6CP and 6SB Assembly,
where we will teach you how to be a global citizen.
Welcome
Back to
DCIS News.
We're your hosts. I'm Eloise.
I'm Alma. And I'm Arabella. Are you a global citizen? Because today we will teach you how to be a good global citizen. Eloise, how do you become a good global citizen?
I'm not sure actually. Why don't we hand it over to Marianne, the interviewer?
Thanks, Eloise, Alma, and Arabella. On to the interviewing. Today I am just sitting here and I'm going to ask her name. And what do you think a good global citizenship means? That was fantastic answers. Now back to the studio.
Wow, I did not know that.
I know, it's crazy how they know so much stuff about global citizenship. Now let's give our audience some top tips on how to become a good global citizen. Starting with, you must recycle and keep your environment clean.
Especially on holidays.
Please throw rubbish in the bin.
Another top tip is to regularly donate to charities.
Why not? For a good cause anyway.
And lastly, you must travel sustainably.
And now for the question of the day. Will you become a global citizen? The world can be a mess without you being a global citizen. But what does the word global citizenship even mean? To become a global citizen, you need to be a responsible person for your own actions and words. It also means to take part in your local community services and charities. That sounds interesting. Let's see a small skit done by our friends which shows what the world can be with and without global citizenship. This is what happens when people are not global citizens. Get out of the way, you ugly old man! Can you even walk? I'm sure you agree. That was not a nice thing. Let's see what happens when people are global citizens.
I'm happy that we helped someone today. One chocolate chip frappuccino without whipped cream and one pig stuffing.
Thank you. Ew, this is disgusting. Who cares?
What is this?
Why is your Starbucks drink cup on the floor? Did you know Americans generate 10.5 million tons of plastic waste a year, but recycle only 1 or 2% of it? And 1 million seabirds die every single year just because people keep throwing their plastic cups into the ocean. Here are 7 top tips to help you become a good global citizen. Recycle, reduce, reuse, participate, support,
Avoid.
and spread the word.
A little reminder, here at DCIS you can buy plastic-free water bottle and coffee mug available at
homeless people. I can't stop laughing and looking at you. You're so homeless.
Why are you being so mean to us?
I can be as mean as I want, homeless guy.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can. It's a public area.
Why don't you just go home?
No, I don't. Oh, Gucci. Can I have this, please?
That'll be...
And this.
That'll be $10,000.
Just take the money. I don't even want it. You know what? I'm going to throw my my old clothes away. Oh.
No, instead of throwing your own clothes away and wasting so many materials, you can donate them to charity for a better cause.
You know what? Yes, I should. Where is the charity man? Okay.
Please donate.
Here you go. Take the
Thank you. A rich man donated this. Here you go.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Good morning, class. Please take out your notebooks. Today we will be doing a quiz.
Did someone say quiz?
Yes.
Well, it's over to me now, isn't it? Cue the music.
Hello.
And another hello too. I'm Miss Ray, presenter for today's quiz time. This time on quiz time, the topic is, drum roll please, global citizenship. So we have two teams, the red team and the blue team. Question 1. What do you do if you see an old lady fall over? Do you A, walk past her, B, help her up, or C, steal her stuff? Help her up.
Walk past her.
Put your hand up if you agree with the red team. Put your hand up if you agree with the blue team. Well done if you chose the red team because they were correct. Question 2. What do you do if you have some rubbish? Do you A, throw it on the floor, B, feed it to the animals, or C, put it in the bin? Put it in the bin.
Feed to the animals.
Put your hand up if you agree with the red team. Put your hand up if you agree with the blue team. Well done if you chose the red team because they are right again. Question 3. What do you do if you see a friend being bullied? Do you A, tell a teacher, B, walk past, or C, fight back? Fight back.
Tell a teacher.
Put your hand up if you agree with the red team. Put your hand up if you agree with the blue team. Well done if you chose the blue team because this time they were right. On the 18th of March, Year 6 had the wonderful opportunity to go to Thailand and become a good global citizen.
I think a global citizen is someone who cares for the environment, not only in the country they live in, but for other countries around the globe that need help.
Being a global citizen means having a good heart and a good will to everybody around you.
A global citizen will do all they can to help people who need it.
A global citizen is also someone who cares for others and not only themselves.
Being a global citizen means to understand how our actions could negatively affect the people of the world and its wild diversity.
But the most important thing is considering others and making the world better.